Welcome to week 6. In week 5, you have just left the pen tool, but I don't want you to permanently leave it. I want to convince you that the pen tool is probably the most important tool that a graphic designer can learn because it transcends all graphic design applications. In other words, practically any graphic design program that you're going to use uses a pen tool. When you get into Adobe Illustrator and do some vector illustration, it's almost all pen tool work. So keep working at it, keep practicing it. Whenever you have an opportunity to use it to make selections, do so. I know there might be easier ways to make selections, but sometimes you should use the pen tool anyway, just to get the experience. So now on to the next section, week 6, which is doing photo retouching. Photo retouching is pretty cool because this is where you get to fix images. Maybe they've been scratched, maybe it's an old image that needs to have some colorization done to it or things like that. Maybe it's a fashion image where you need to change some skin tone, make somebody look a little thinner, take somebody out of the background of a photo shot. In week 6, you're going to learn several tools to use to take care of these kinds of problems, to do this kind of retouching. They're actually pretty fun. Almost all of them are pretty fun to use. Most of them are pretty intuitive. That is, they're pretty easy to use. The one that I like the best, that I think is the most fun to work with, is probably the one you're going to like the best as well. And it's not really a tool, it's a workspace. It's called the LIQUIFY workspace. You're going to jump into that near the end of the week, but you're going to really enjoy it. Let me know if you like it. Also, please keep in mind that you should be looking at the discussion boards. A lot of great communication is happening there. A lot of questions are being asked and answered. Even if you don't have a specific question, I recommend that you review the discussion board just to see what's going on, and maybe you'll learn something more. Anyway, I hope you have a great week and continue the great Photoshop work.